In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personalized story with Gemini Storybook. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started on this fun and creative journey. First, we'll need to open up your preferred web browser and head over to everyone's favorite search engine, Google. Once you're there, you'll want to type Google Gemini into the search bar. Hitting enter will bring up a list of results, and we're specifically looking for the official Google Gemini website link. When you find it, go ahead and give it a click. With the website open, you'll be greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface. This is where the magic happens. In the text field presented, we're going to enter a prompt for our story. Remember, the more specific and imaginative your prompt, the more unique your story will be. Feel free to think outside the box here. This is your chance to let your creativity shine. Whether you want a tale about courageous space explorers or intriguing fantasy realms, this is the entry point for your ideas. Once you've typed out your prompt, it's time to bring your story to life. You'll see a button labeled Submit. Clicking this button will set the gears in motion, and the powerful AI behind Gemini will start crafting your personalized tale based on the input you've provided. After a short moment, your storybook should be ready. You'll see the finished story displayed on your screen. Now comes the truly enjoyable part, scanning the content to appreciate the creative narrative spun from your initial prompt. This is an opportunity to immerse yourself in the storyline, admire the characters, and see how your imaginative ideas have been beautifully brought to life. Before you go, it might be worth exploring different prompts or variations for your story. Each tweak can yield a new adventure, showcasing the versatility and richness that the Gemini Storybook offers. Whether for entertainment, inspiration, or as a creative tool for work, these stories can serve myriad purposes, and the joy of each lies in the personalization and interaction you have initiated. So there you have it, a quick and easy guide to crafting your very own personalized story with Gemini Storybook. Remember, the possibilities are endless when it comes to storytelling, and with this tool, you hold the power to create whatever you can imagine. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, please consider leaving a like or subscribing for more content. Keep dreaming, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.